This is OnePlus Pad, and today I will show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to start, you will need to open whatever search engine you prefer using and input the Fortnite APK query. Amongst the search results, you gotta look for official epicgames.com or Fortnite.com websites. Then once you've made it to, official web page, the web page or the website itself will suggest the file download anyway, I guess you got me. Then tap at the download anyway button to confirm the download, even though the system says that this file, or the Google Chrome says that this file might be harmful. It doesn't matter. Then launch the installer, Epic Games Store installer, whatever. Then allow Google Chrome to install unknown apps, or just allow apps from this source permission. Then finalize or confirm the Epic Games Store installation, launch the app. Then open the Fortnite game page, and over there tap at the install button. Now let's wait for the game to be downloaded first, and we will continue from there. So as you can see, once the Fortnite game is successfully downloaded but is yet to be installed, you will need to grant the Epic Games Store the same permission we granted the Google Chrome with, that is to install unknown apps. So turn on this switch, confirm the Fortnite installation. Then once the game gets installed, which is going to take a few seconds, launch the game and let it download all remaining updates, resources, and just all remaining files in general. And after this process will be finished, you will be finally able to start playing the game. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.